Dear viewers, welcome to our TrendzBasket fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of trendy inexpensive Christmas gifts design ideas. It's never ever too early to start thinking about Christmas, so Christmas 2020 here we come. Backed by the overwhelming demand of anonymous internet searchers, here's my list of no fewer than 40 inexpensive holiday gift ideas. For even more gift ideas, check out our other holiday gift guide, with ideas ranging from the range and some alternative ideas to store-bought presents. We all had those favorite ornaments as a kid, the ones we fought with our siblings to be able to put on the tree ourselves, the ones whose origins we didn't know but whose presence was a cherished part of our childhood. Now that we're all grown up, it's time to start building Christmas ornament collections of our own. With each ornament you give, you're helping your friend get one step closer to not having to throw a whole bunch of those gold balls on their tree. Different types of pearl necklace designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.